Good morning, everyone. This video tutorial will show you how to use a tracking database that's been created to help you get a grasp of what classes your advisees have taken and what classes they need to take. Please understand that this is a work in progress program. It's not fully complete, it's not official, and it's more of a guiding tool instead of something that has concrete information. Though the information, I would argue, is probably 98% accurate, it is pulling from a very large database. You can see here the database is, as of right now, 31,000 lines long. So with that in mind, it is again a guiding tool. The way you go about using it is from the link provided. It will pull up this screen here. I usually like making it full screen by clicking the button up here, and then what I will do is I will look up one of my advisees. I will go to their last name. You'll notice here that student is default pick, and I'll type in Gray. That's one of my students' names. I will click that and say I'll see the check mark there. Now I also need to notice with some advisees I'll have children or students will have the same last name. I need to go to the first name and make sure there's only one name here. If there's multiple first names, it will pull all the information for that last name. You need to select the appropriate first name. In this case, it's just Ashley, so I don't even need to select, but if I wanted to, I would just click on her name. Next thing, you'll see everything that Ashley has taken from the database right here. You'll notice that there is all her classes that she's had since 2016. You'll notice that there's one of 25 showing with an extra one. If you see a number outside of 25, just click this little arrow button and it will pull it over and it will show you the other grades. You can see here that it is a little bit slow. It's pulling from a huge database, so please be patient in using this. Again, you can see the one class she's taken here. Now you'll notice that it has 0 here for these credits. This is for the 2018-2019 school year. She hasn't earned any credits yet, but it lists the classes she has taken. So tell the student, don't worry about this information. She'll earn credits as long as she or he passes. So a couple other pieces of information here. Again, not 100% accurate, but it does do a wonderful job of guiding your advisee through the process of what classes they still need to take. So first thing first, you'll see here that Ashley here has been awarded credits in science social studies. This is the total that she has earned. Now, if you look over here in math per se, she's getting algebra 3 right here. Now she only has gotten 2 so far, so if she completes this, she has finished her math credits up to algebra 2. You can see a total number here with the required total amount here. Okay, her total credits here, graduation year here. I'll try to get rid of that comma there. So again, this is a guiding system for your advisees. Please do not send them down to the main office because this information is not accurate. Karen has done a wonderful job updating records, but it does take a while to update everything. So please do not have your students come down and ask for them. This is not right. The NCAA is not right. This database is constantly being updated. So again, please don't have the students come down and ask about inaccurate information. Their transcripts will be accurate. This is just a guiding tool. Now, if you want to go to another student, all you want to do is any one of these. You don't have to click on Gray or anything, but kind of double click and it will cancel out of that last name. If you see nothing up here, that means, or null, I should say null is 0, that means you don't have any students selected. Then you can go ahead and type in another student, for example, Moore. Now I can go ahead and select this student. Again, it's pulling from that database. Now you'll notice here, there's a couple different Moores. So I need to just select, I want to look at Madeline's grades. So I'm going to select Madeline. Again, you can see it's the thinking bar up here and it pulls from it. Please be patient. It will take a little time. She has 26 records. You can see the classes that she's taken thus far. The classes, she hasn't been awarded any credits yet, but she will as long as she passes them, which she definitely will. If you have any questions using this, please don't hesitate to email me. Thank you very much.